This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. I have an AliExpress haul. Let's just get right into it. That feels completely empty. Oh, there's something. What the heck? Oh, I know what it is. Okay then. It's too small. This I thought would be for a Smart Doll. I want to do for Puddle in June. I want to do a custom, and I want to make my own wig. Well, that's not going to work. All right, I bought more of this chain. I really like it. It's not expensive, and it's really cute on the dolls. I add a closure. You just cut it the length you want it and add a closure, and you have a beautiful beaded and chain necklace. Really, really pretty. I'm just going to set that there and keep this going. All right. Darren and I have been out riding our bikes quite a bit, and I want to get out there now, and it's like a furnace out there. What did we ride yesterday? Or day before yesterday, 23?
22 something.
Yeah, 23 miles on our bikes. No, we do not have e-bikes. Okay, I bought a shirt that I really like, so I bought this one, and I don't really like. No, I don't like it, but I might wear it. We'll see. Okay, it is a pot shot on AliExpress and Temu and any of these Chinese companies that you buy for. It's just pot shot. Will you like it? Will you not? Will you get what you... I don't remember ordering these, but okay. Oh, good. I've been waiting for these. We are packing some items for Puddle in June for the... these are cute. For the goodie bags, we are putting two things in this year. Aren't these cute? Cute, cute, cute little folding chairs. Let's open one. Oh gosh, these are cute. These were cheap, cheap, cheap. Like on the front page, when you go to AliExpress, pull up the front page and they will show you deals. I think I paid like $2 for all four of these. How cute is that for your smaller dolls? It looks like a real good size for a midi. Now what this has is an edge for your cell phone. And I think it'd be cute for a midi. It might actually catch them for falling forward. Okay, those are a win-win-win. And so are these. The shirt is not. Gosh, I hope these are my pokey things. I use, yep. I use Stylus. I have big fat bear paws, and for my telephone when I'm texting, I need one of these. I use them all the time. Plus, I hate all that grease on phones. Oh, that is so nasty. After I talk on the phone, I clean my phone. I clean it. And I don't talk. I use it for texting. That's what I use my phone for. That's about it, isn't it?
Yep.
I play, I go to Instagram. I play very simple solitaire. And that's about all I use my phone for. I don't even know how to send a link to you in a text. Oh, this is a Smart Doll belt. It was just on there. Could also be I think it is. They had this down as a doll belt. Katie could wear that if she wanted to. But I'll cut this down, and that'll be cute for a Smart Doll. I think that's it. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Please leave a like, a comment. Oh boy, what doll would that fit? Maybe Barbie. Yeah, probably. And subscribe.